Welcome to Appetite for the Outdoors. I'm Chef Paul Rhodes with Carolina Cooker, and today we're doing a tundra swan stir fry, and we're using our Carolina Cooker 17-inch round griddle. So first thing I like to do is I'll take a little bit of salt and I'll just season the swan up, and I'll take a little Carolina Cooker seafood seasoning and put that right on there too. We're going to take our sesame oil. We're going to put it right here. We're going to kind of run it along the edges so we get the whole pan coated. We're going to take our red onion, big sizzle there. Orange bell pepper next. We're going to take baby corn. And we're going to take snow peas, bok choy, green beans. We're just going to kind of mix these around. Just kind of make sure everything cooks evenly and doesn't burn. The swan, we're just going to throw it here on the edge. Now I'm going to take some garlic. It gets really bitter if you put it in too early. Soy sauce, we're going to put our hoisin sauce in here, and while that is simmering, I'm going to go ahead and flip swan, and we're going to let the swan cook on that side just for a few seconds. Then we're going to incorporate everything together, and then you can go ahead and serve it on top of some Tidewater grain Carolina Gold rice. There we go, swan stir fry. This is a great meal that everyone's going to enjoy, and remember, wild game does not need to be intimidating. It just needs to be prepared properly to have delicious meals at home. We'll see you next time.